Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is National Examination Mathematics 2025. So we are going to solve one of the questions from this question paper. It's the question number 17 that you seeing on the screen. So let's start and let's make the solution. Thank you very much. As I was saying, this is the question number 17 from the National Examination Mathematics for Senior 3 that was done in 2025. So the question was saying that given that px equal to x cubic negative x squared negative 4x plus 24 equal to x negative 2 ax squared plus bx then plus c. So let's make the solution. As from the question A, to determine the values of A and B and C. So let's start. So let's expand and then equate the equation, so that we can also it can be easy for us to find the value of A and A, B and C. So let's start. Then we're having x negative 2 and then bracket ax squared plus bx then plus c, and then then we are going to multiply the value the x into the equation ax squared plus bx then plus c. So this will be ax cubic plus bx squared then plus c cx then 2 ax squared negative 2bx then negative 2c. So this is the equation. So we are going to combine the like terms ax cubic then plus bx squared negative 2ax squared then plus cx then negative 2bx, lastly negative 2c. Negative 2c. So we are going to equate that equation that we get by expanding. We are going to equate with x cubic negative x squared negative 4x plus c 24. That's what we are going to equate. But let's first factorize. Yes. Then c plus 2 negative 2b x then negative 2c, and then let's equate both equations. And b negative 2a in bracket x squared then c negative 2b x then x 2c. We'll be equating with x cubic negative 2x and then plus 12. So by doing that, we are going to take every term. You see that on the values of x cubic will be equal to the x cubic, and then b negative 2a will be it will be equal to negative x squared. That's why you are going to compare the coefficients from the both equations. So let's equate from two equations, that with a, b and c, and that with the real coefficients. So let me show you ax cubic would be equal to x cubic. Yes, so by cancelling, a will be remaining as equal to 1. A equal to 1. And then b negative 2a equal to x. Yes, b negative 2a x squared equal to negative x squared. You see that x squared is having negative. So by, yes, equal to negative 1. By replacing the value of a is equal to 1. Yes, 2 is 2 times the a, where a equal to 1. Yes, a equal to 1 equal negative 1, which means b will be negative 2, it will be equal to negative 1, and then b is going to be 1. Yes, it's going to be 1. Then, yes, x negative 2c equal to 24, and then c will be equal to negative 2, yes, 24 negative 2, c will be equal to negative 12. Yes, so let's make, yes, because the question b is asking to find to factorize completely. By factorizing completely, we know that we're having we're having the equation which contain the unknown values, which is a, b, and c, and then we got them all. We're going to replace the values of a, b, and c, and then factorize. Yes, the values of a, b, and c. Yes, we're having x negative 2, and then let me show you this is how they do. You see that we're having, yes, we're having x negative 2, then the value of a you got is 1, the value of b is equal also 1, and the c equal to negative 12. So x squared then plus x, because b equal to 1, and then negative c is equal to negative 12. Yes, then you're going to factorize this. Because you're having x negative 2, you're going to factorize only x squared plus x, then negative 12. So let's, yes, x squared plus x this is equal to, yes, negative 3x. This is equal to x squared plus x negative 12. So by factorizing, no, I forgot to put bracket, this x bracket, then we've been remaining x plus 4, and then negative 3. We're going to factorize negative 3 from 3x and the negative 12, then x plus 4. If you multiply these values, x and negative 3 will be remaining with what we have. Yes, x plus 3 and then x plus c 4. So the whole equation of the factorized equation is going to be x negative 2, and then x negative 2, yes, x negative 2, and then x negative 3, then x plus c, x plus 4. So let's jump on the last sub question 17, which is c, to solve px equal equals 0. The px is that equation that we're having. So x negative 2 and then x negative 3 x plus 4 equals 0, which means x is equal to negative is equal to 2, and then here x, you're going to take every factor of this equation will be equal to 0, so that x is equal to 3 and then x equal to negative 4. No, yeah, this was a mistake. X equal negative 4. So thank you very much. I think this is the end of the question that we were doing. So make comment, subscribe to the channel, and then wait for the another video for